Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm just here feeling so excited and grateful for 1,000 subscribers. Finally I've hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel. By April it will be my 5th year since I uploaded my first YouTube video, and guys, finally we are at 1,000 subscribers. I've really longed and wished for this for the longest time, and it's finally here. I just woke up today. It's on a Sunday today, right? So I just woke up today, and yeah, it was after how many videos? 149 thereabout, I guess. Guys, I'm super excited for this. Like, my journey hasn't been the easiest, but it's been worthwhile, and I know all will be well going forward from now henceforth. I uploaded my first video on YouTube on April, that's 2020, guys, and we are in 2025. It took me like 5 years to hit 1,000 subscribers mark, and guys, I can't be more than excited for this. It's a dream come true, it's a wish come true, and yeah, that's when I uploaded my first video, and it took me 2 years to get to 500 subscribers. It was a really slow process, like slow growth. Each and every day I would come back, look at my analytics, nothing is happening, but I just kept going on. I hit my first 500 subscribers after 2 years of being on YouTube, guys. 2 years. That's to tell you guys that never give up. Imagine 2 years and you're being consistent and doing all that work, but you don't see progress. You're just there, you're staying resilient, consistent, all those good stuff, but you ain't seeing that growth that you'd wish to see. But guys, never give up. Like, never give up. If that's your wish, like if you have a vision and you have a goal, just keep going. Those baby steps will eventually get you there. But I know during 2023 I wasn't active. I didn't upload as much, or I didn't upload any video, because that was like, it was really a tough year. I was going through life and life was going through me, so I didn't get to upload as much. So 2023 I kind of slacked. Then I came back in 2024 and I've been uploading. That was last year. I've been uploading, staying a bit consistent, though I wasn't as consistent as much, but I managed to get 900 subscribers last year, and that was something else. Like, it was great progress and growth to me. That's what I consider growth, like, right? In as much as at times I felt like I should just give up on YouTube because I'm not seeing growth, I'm not seeing anything. Why should I put all this effort making these videos, yet no one watches, no one subscribes, no one likes? But I kept telling myself, girl, this is for me, and I know even if one person watches and becomes educated, entertained, or get something from my videos out there, that's worth it. So I just kept going on, and guys, finally at 1,000 subscribers. I couldn't be more, I don't know how to explain this, but I'm just super happy and grateful for this. And I just want to thank all of you that have made this possible, and I want to commit to myself that I'll be consistent and I'll take this YouTube seriously from henceforth. I think what will really help me is having a solid plan or a structure on how I'll be consistent on YouTube, and just stick to that. I'm going to write down my YouTube strategy for the year, and I want to stick to that and see if I'll get to greater subscribers, and also increase my viewership, because that really does matter on YouTube, guys. Thank you for being part of my journey. I just want to thank my fans since day one, those who have been here since day one. When I posted my first video, that video was about, like, I was just during my campus days. I was just in the university dorm doing my makeup, and I had background music. I had some gospel music in the background, and I didn't know YouTube would put copyright on the video. I just uploaded it as it was, so I got copyright on it, but it's okay. I'm not going to delete it because sweet memories, right? Yeah, so that's it, and I just want to thank each and every one of you. And if you come across this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Let's grow together, because from henceforth I just want to, I think I'm going to tweak my content a little bit. It won't be more of my lifestyle, but I want to really focus on educating and entertaining more. I don't know. So just subscribe, stick to my channel so that you get to see whatever it is that it's cooking. And guys, I'm just super happy. I'm so happy. I don't know. Is this how it feels getting to 1,000 subscribers? And if you are also a YouTuber and you've gotten to 1,000 subscribers, kindly let me know in the comment section. How was it like getting your first 1,000 subscribers? Like, I just feel happy. I was looking back to my growth on YouTube, like when I hit my first 500 subscribers. That was like 2 years ago, guys. It was a surreal moment, and I can't explain how I feel right now. I know I'm still on the way to 10,000, and those are many subscribers, 1 million plus, all that good stuff. But guys, I'm just grateful right now. I don't know. I'm just so happy. I could rant and rant and rant. After 40 something videos, I'll put them over here. Guys, I'm just so happy. I don't know, but I feel so happy, and I'm so grateful to God. He has also played a huge part in making me never lose hope, never give up, even when at times I felt downhearted. But He gave me the hope and the strength to keep pushing on, and it's all by His might, right? And all glory to God. And I know from here henceforth we'll still be together. God will still steer me on, lead me to the right path, help me in my content creation process and all that good stuff. And I thank all of you. I just want to encourage you, kindly subscribe to my channel, help me reach to greater heights, the goals that I have in place. Just subscribe to my channel, keep watching, keep liking, share my videos to your friends, family, and what have you, and keep engaging in my content, because right now I'll be bringing you premium content from this humble and sweet girl to you, right to where you are. And yeah, let's make this happen. And guys, kindly from henceforth, don't skip ads. No, I'm not monetized yet, but kindly do make sure you just watch my videos to the very end. Subscribe, comment, it costs nothing, guys. Anyways, guys, bye. I love you. Thank you for always being here, guys.